Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a lot of Pavoni Europiccola. This machine was brought in because it was leaking, and we found two leaking spots. One was the heating element gasket underneath the machine where the heating element is, and the second place was also here in the sight glass. So we replaced the gaskets and tightened everything up. No longer leaking from the bottom or here, and it's heated up, holding pressure, and we'll test it. Looking good. There you have it. Yep, about 1 ounce. Perfect. Looking great. Do some steam real quick. Excellent. Alright, there it is. Pavoni Europiccola, no longer leaking and working as it should. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.